You have your audio ready.
You know, after 20 years of interviewing people, you learn a thing or two.
Oops, there's a mistake in it, such as a cough, such as a loud noise, or something to that effect. The idea of being able to adjust that mistake by setting the playhead marker where you need it, selecting the item, the actual track, setting the playhead marker at the end of that, selecting the item, the actual track, and using the slice. You can actually delete this and then move the material. Let's redo that. So here's what it looks like. First thing is, I know where that sound is.
Interviewing people.
So I see where that sound is breaking up. I can adjust that playhead by clicking on that white line, moving it there. Then selecting the actual audio section. So I clicked on that. You can see that white rectangle that shows up around this. The keyboard shortcut is S for slice. So wherever that playhead marker is at, it will slice. So now that's one piece, that's another. I need to repeat that so that I can put that at the end of the sound that I do not want, slice, because that was already selected. When I select this, you can see how it's actually its own part there. If I select, click delete, or backspace on my keyboard, it will get rid of it. Now, the drawback I have here is there's this large gap.
Interviewing people.
I don't want this large gap.
You learn a thing.
So I'm going to have my mouse grab this file part here and move it over. So now
Interviewing people. You learn a thing or two about the art of conversation. I was just
I have taken out an unwanted sound that I do not need. Or it could be a part where there is a lull in the interview, it could be a part where there's not much happening, or the fire alarm, fire bell went off in school, what have you. So, how to cut that part out by making the two breaks, the slices, and then deleting that part and moving.